Hello, calculus students and seekers of general truths. Let us study definite integrals here with an example of a velocity time graph. So here we have a graph of the velocity of a car, and it's very important here. This is not telling you how far it's traveled. This is only telling you how fast it's going. From this graph, it's very difficult to tell you to pinpoint the location of the vehicle. All we can again tell is how fast this vehicle is moving. So question number one, what is its displacement between 2 hours and 4 hours? So 2 hours is here, 4 hours is here, and you can see that between 2 and 4 hours the car is traveling at 60 miles per hour. So the displacement, remember, is the change in position between 2 and 4 hours. So you have the velocity here of 60 miles per hour, and the car's been moving for 2 hours, so its displacement is 120 miles. In other words, it's traveled 120 miles farther away from its original position or its position at 2 hours. I don't know why I wrote minutes here. I meant to write miles during that time. Okay. All right, let us continue with number 2 here. Give a geometric interpretation. All right, give a geometric interpretation of displacement between 2 and 4 hours. So, I mean, let's think about what this number here means geometrically. Well, you know, what we did here is we took the distance here from 2 to 4, right? We subtracted this, and then we multiply it by the height of this function right here. And so what we've effectively calculated is the area of this rectangle right here. Right? The area of this rectangle is 2 times 60, which is 120. So the displacement between 2 and 4 hours is the area of a rectangle with a base of 2 and a height of 60. Now, it's not always going to be a rectangle. It could be some other shapes. So another way that we could describe this is it is the definite integral from 2 to 4. And our function here is the velocity function. Let's just name this function v of t. Okay. So it's the definite integral from 2 to 4 of v of t dt. And this is equal to the displacement between t equals 2 and t equals 4 hours. Okay. And from this concept, it's going to be very, very deep and enriching for us to see how the definite integral of a velocity function relates to the rest of the motion, the position, the location of a vehicle. All right, I am going to start a new video to answer the rest of these problems.